Oh, hello. Yeah, this is Christoph Peters again, and welcome to another Coding Club tutorial. This time it's about um, downloading and installing Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration tool or service by Microsoft Office 365, which is the backbone or the main um, social and communication and sharing platform for classrooms and projects within the Junior Coding Club. It is actually necessary to download and install the Microsoft Teams app or to go into the cloud application, which works in the browser, but it's recommended to download and install the Microsoft Teams app. The Microsoft Teams app is available um, for all kinds of platforms. For example, um, Apple OS X, Mojave or older versions, Microsoft 10, um, Android, and iOS, iPad, and it works also on the iPhone. So it's pretty straightforward, the installation. So there is a download link here we placed on the website. It's here, the green button, or you can also directly go to or search for Microsoft Teams download, for example, and it will send you to the download link here. And we can directly download it here, and it goes straight to use the to the download folder, download the app, and install it. So the install process is also, yeah, a standard default procedure, which I will not get into right now. Of course, for Android or for iOS, you go to the App Store and download or install the app from the Play Store or App Store. So once Teams is installed, we open the application, and at the beginning I just restart it because it's already installed. So we go for Microsoft Teams. Here we are. So, okay, and now we again have to use our student, or the child have to use its student Microsoft Education account. And I go now with the student test account here. So, which we learned already, it's the first name of the child followed by a dot with the first letter of the last name, and then the @ and the domain name codingclub.cc. Press sign in, and now we have to enter the password, of course. Right. So once we put in the login credentials, it will be saved there, so we don't have to put login name and password repeatedly again. So it's stored in the app, and once we open the app, it will open with the last account who logged in. So on here, we see the teams which are available for the student. Of course, it will be here. This is the classroom hall child, and then we have the school hall. Right. So in the classroom we can just look into it. This is the classroom where all students of the class have access to, and the teacher, of course, but nobody else. Of course, it's secured from the outside. So the children or the students, they can interact here in conversations, like in a chat. It is, of course, supervised. We have a file sections for which necessary files we use for the classes. We have a class notebook, and here we see assignments given to the students, for example, for homework. So also interesting is the school hall. The school hall is a channel which is accessible, or a team room, by the way, accessible for all students of the Junior Coding Club. Go into that. And here we have also much more information, which is in general for all students. So we have the general channel with, again, these are conversations which are only announcements from the school. We have also files here, general files. We have a bulletin board where we can enter any requests and ask questions or recommendations. We have here the general guide and help sections, and we have the house rules, of course. And for parents, for example, it might be interesting to look into the planning or the roadmap of the Junior Coding Club, because it will be developed further and evolve with every month and year to a much better experience and better service for the students. So, and so that's it in general for Microsoft Teams. We have just here again more topics here which are covered in the Coding Club. It goes from robotics and coding to digital design and filmmaking, storytelling. There's the makerspace, all sorts of interesting stuff. And here on top are the first three main coding or education apps we are using outside of Microsoft Teams. But that will be covered in another video tutorial. So thank you for listening or for watching, and I hope you like it, and see you soon. Bye bye.